Want to unlock a world of live TV, movies, and shows directly on your Samsung Smart TV? Let's dive into how you can get JioTV running on your big screen. First things first, head over to the Apps section on your Samsung Smart TV. This is your gateway to downloading new content. Once you're in the App Store, use the search function to look for JioTV. Type it carefully. If you find JioTV in the search results, fantastic. Simply click the install button. Now, patience is key. Let the app download and install completely. This might take a minute or two depending on your internet speed. After installation, you should see the JioTV icon on your home screen. Give it a click to launch the app. You will be prompted to log in. Enter your Jio ID and password to access your JioTV account. If you don't have one, you will need to sign up first. Congratulations, you now have JioTV on your Samsung Smart TV. Explore the vast library of content available at your fingertips. Enjoy endless entertainment, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.